Hey, this is Nick at BMF, and I'm going to show you how to download and get set up with Zoom. At BMF, we're really excited to be offering online lessons and classes, and we're going to be using the platform Zoom, which is actually how I happen to be recording this video right now, and it's super easy. So next time you log into your BMF Connect portal, you'll see a button to click Join Your Lesson or Join Your Class Now. And once you click that, it's going to launch Zoom. It's going to be super easy. All you have to do is go to zoom.us/download, click Download to download the Zoom package, and then follow the install instructions. That's going to help you get set up for your first online lesson. And that's it. Next time your teacher sees you, it's going to be online, and we hope you're staying happy and healthy at home or wherever you are. Until your next lesson or class,